In this video, we will cover the RealPresence Clarity overview. Polycom's solution is comprised of 5 main components. These components provide the platform for your voice content, web, and video sharing. The first component is the Distributed Media Application, or DMA. One function of the DMA is to provide call server functionality such as H323 Gatekeeper, SIP proxy, and registrar services, plus network topology control with bandwidth management. As the H323 and SIP call server, the DMA receives incoming call requests and then makes the decision whether to connect the call or to deny the call. The DMA takes into account the network bandwidth limits that you configured when making these call decisions. The other main function of the DMA is to provide conference management when you dial into a virtual meeting room or VMR. When you dial your VMR, the DMA searches your list of multi-point control units, or MCUs, to identify the best bridging source for your conference. The next component is the Polycom RealPresence Resource Manager, or RPRM. The Resource Manager is the central device management component of the collaboration infrastructure. The main function is to allow you to monitor and control the day-to-day operations of your video endpoints. Some of these services include online and offline status, automated configuration, known as dynamic provisioning, and automatic software updates. The RPRM also provides global address book functionality so your codecs can share their dialing information. Finally, the API-integrated DMA helps make call routing decisions based on the site topology configured within the system. The DMA's network topology is directly controlled by the RPRM. The third component is the RealPresence Collaboration Server. The Collaboration Server is also known as the RMX Bridge. The RMX is Polycom's MCU, or multi-point control unit, which is where the DMA places your virtual meeting room every time you dial into a conference. The RMX connects Polycom endpoints along with legacy or third-party devices for a convenient collaboration experience that is easy to establish. The fourth major component is the RealPresence Access Director, also known as the RPAD. The RPAD provides firewall transversal access and security for calls in and out of your company network. Working in conjunction with the DMA, the Access Director routes calls to approved conferences and endpoints based on your access control lists, or ACLs. Another main feature of the Access Director is to accept and forward external provisioning requests to the Resource Manager. This is known as the Access Proxy function. When an external employee wants to attend a meeting, Access Proxy allows their endpoint to gain secure access to your video infrastructure without opening unnecessary risks from the outside. The RPAD also works with Polycom's Web Suite software when external video participants need a web-based video platform to join a conference. The Web Suite software is comprised of 2 main subcomponents called the Services Portal and the Experience Portal. The Services Portal is also known as the WSP server, and the Experience Portal is known as the MEA server. The Web Suite servers allow users to schedule conferences, send out invitations, and then join their conferences using both Polycom traditional endpoints and the Web Suite browsers-based video codec. This concludes the RealPresence Clarity overview.